Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Hopefully, you are celebrating Independence Day and you are all dressed up. If you are, share me your pictures and videos. I am waiting. So, along with Independence Day, come towards our today's topic. The subject is science. The subject is science, and the topic is physical science. So, we are going to learn a very nice question today. The question is write different kinds of objects. Objects की हमने types बतानी है या उसके kinds बतानी है. An object could be big, small, soft and hard. Let's see कि object big कैसे होता है, small कैसे होता है. The object could be big. Look, these bangles are big and this size is small. Do you know what is object? क्या आपको पता है object क्या होता है? Anything around us, हमारे आसपास कोई भी चीज जो हमारे पास है जिसको हम देख सकते हैं और टच कर सकते हैं, that is object. For example, I am holding this pointer. I can see this, I can touch this, so this is object. This teddy bear is an object. This scissor is an object. Everything around me which I can see and touch is an object. So, here I am going to discuss the kinds of objects. The kind of objects are big, small, soft and hard. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. Sound के साथ ना पढ़ो. Okay. So what are the spelling? Let's just spell them. What are the spellings of big? B-I-G, big. B-E-G, big. So, this is big, big, big. This is big, big, big. B-I-G, big. Small. Let's come towards small. S-M-A-L-L, small. This is small. This is big, big, big. This is small. So, what are the sounds of small? S, M, A, L. S, M, A, L. Small. This is small. This is big. This is small. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. So here we have discussed the two types of objects. Let's just move towards the next two types. These are soft and hard. So here I have this cotton. This is very soft. We can just touch it. See? It's so squishy. So this is soft. And come towards the hard one. Here I have just these beads. And these are hard to touch. These are very hard to touch. And these are hard. H-A-R-D, hard. H-A-R-D. H-A-R-D. It's hard. Soft. Soft. The sound of F will be just the air. The air passing by our teeth. The sound of F is, it's not F, it's F. It's hard and soft. So, just look at our notebook. See, I have prepared this beautiful notebook and your notebook is missing you so much. Come back soon. Earlier students, see, this is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is hard, hard, hard. This is soft, soft, soft. And here is your question and I am very excited to listen up your question. Learn your question very well. Learn all the spellings along with your mother. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.